I, Oath Bob, do not want to be out here anymore. They said that they'll give us a new hotel room, but they just put us outside the regular hotel that they're in. I can't believe that they would do this to... Do I hear the sounds of the police? I think I hear the police. It's the police, guys. It's the police! It's the... Oh, I gotta close this door. Hold on. It's the police! It's the police! They heard my last song, and they're here to catch me! Whoa, Pen, don't you have those cool powers that you stole from Pink Paint? Could you use those to, I don't know, let me get my glasses. Let me say this again. Couldn't you use those epic powers you got from Pink Paint to, I don't know, the glass is horrible. To, I don't know, get those police out of your way? Yeah, that's a pretty good thing. Yeah. I'm gonna delete those police. Let's go. Yahoo! I fucking hate Mario. Well, hey, theme song, could you start playing now? Yeah, thanks for playing that exact time. Wow. Oh, did we get a new background music? This one kind of sounds a little different. Oh my god. Yeah, it does sound a little more epic. Yeah. Can we get out of my room now? Target start being made. And what? Hey guys, it's me, Target. No, I do feel like this Bro, Chato, chip. Bro, Mato, Kato,
Pick
Zoto,
up the pace.
Moto.
What?
Bro, I don't even know, bro. Bro, chocolate chip. Loker, can you at least get the hell out of my room now? No, don't get me out of here. Fine. Wonder what the outside conditions Wow, you guys are on the front. That's crazy. Guys, we have a poll to join in. Let's see who will be joining. It's Canva. Would you like to say Hello, Z. Where do I go exactly, Mr. Host Guy? Well, me and Nina saw the bully, so I'll go inside the victim. What? You'll be sharing a room with Simon. I have to be sharing some room with someone? 9! I'll be living inside my tent.
Pick up the pace.
You have a tent?
Pick up the pace.
You have a tent.
Hey, y'all.
Remember, you gave me pink paint. You gave me love bomb's power. Yeah. So I made the tent so I could live it. Isn't that the tent where you put your pictures of people that you're really obsessed with Leafy wanted me to really want her. 9! Whatever. I'll be living in my tent now, bye. Well, now we got that out of the way. Does anyone else want to join the show? Well, actually, Taco from II, you will be joining the show. Oh, really? Wow, thanks. This is such a great moment. I'll be joining the victims. Yeah. Anyways, what? You. Pen, why are you here? I thought you were supposed to be in the hotel doing boss things. Well, me, the great Pen, has had enough of this! Everything has been going wrong. I can't do anything about it. I can't even see my own daughter anymore thanks to Leafy 1 and Leafy 2. You know what? I'm keeping these powers. I'm not giving these powers back to Peak Pay, even though if I go inside that gray stupid box. And also, Candy Bar and Bob will not be leaving the area. They're staying here because I spiked both of those leaves. Now, look at this paper. Plans to rebuild the hallucinations. What is this? I want you to rebuild all 3 of those hallucinations' bodies. Especially one of them. One of them will be staying here. Despite that Leafy 2. She keeps calling the police on me. It's been making my life a living hell. To get back on her, I'll tell Troy to increase the legal age of consent to 31. So that means Leafy 2 will technically be a pedophile. Once he gets in the game, at least. But legal age and consent and being in a relationship with someone has nothing to do with each other. Leafy 1 is 18 and Leafy 2 is like 24, I think. Wait a second. That's wrong. That's horrible. That's disgusting. Yeah, aren't you a pedophile? No. Why wouldn't you? Made a whole song about being a pedophile, Pen. I don't want to hear it. No, that wasn't me. See, I don't have caps. I don't have, I'm gonna kill myself. Just put me in that gray box now. With, those other guys, like Popcorn Steak with Pop. I did not mean, I'm going home now. Oh, steak with popcorn butter on his head. Sink Spear, Kale, Bune, Beat Mall, Cam, Yikes, and Psy. I guess those guys can join. Hey. What do you want, Taco from II? I'm just wondering, host thing. What is exactly in that gray box? Oh, it's the contestants that didn't join. Thank you for asking. You know what? We never really done anything with those contestants. Let's show the viewers what they're doing.
Hey, Mistletoe, can I talk to you about something? I just need assistance with how I feel. Is it about your problem with Cherry? Yes. Look, I know we're in the same friend group as Cherry, but I just hate her. She's annoying, cringe, and clingy, and I just don't want to tell her to her face because we're in the same friend group and it would be kind of awkward since we all go together in the same thing, but I don't know. Hey, take your time. You don't need to tell her right now. Oh, I don't? Yeah. Well, thanks. Thank you. Mistletoe? Yeah. No problem. Hey, to get your minds off of things, do you want to look at what, go on, what 4-Leaf Clover's doing? Oh yeah! She's been doing some weird things, and I wonder what she's doing. So let's just turn our attention to over here and see what she is doing.
Something's going on behind the scenes and I gotta know what. I gotta know what. I feel like that host of ours is hiding something now. I gotta get to the bottom of this and solve the problems now. Solve all the problems now. But I need to do this with a friend. I can't do this alone. Ha! Did I hear that you need some assistance solving something? Oh, and who are you? I'm Broken Mirror. Well, I'm Four-Leaf Clover. So, what are you trying to solve on this case right now? I feel like MSP is hiding something, definitely. He's hiding something from us, and I might know what. You might know what? Yes, he's rigged the votes and done all those bad things, and he's made the team lose on purpose for the story. We got to tell everyone about this now. Hey, Troy, look at those losers. That's pretty stupid. I mean, are we doing anything else right now? I mean, no, we're just watching those dorks trying to solve a case. It's pretty stupid, am I right? Troy? Are you okay? You can tell me if you're not. It's okay. You're looking pretty sad and gray. I just don't know. I've been feeling kind of down. I miss Pillow and Jasmine. I haven't seen them in quite a while. Well, I'm sure when you join, you can see them again. Really? Yeah. I feel like my contestants are getting to the bottom of this. They're getting to the bottom of this. I need to stop them before they fully solve this. I think I know what to do to stop them directly in their tracks. 6 episodes, they will be leaving the show. 2 of them will be leaving the show. Oh yeah. Wait. Viewers, vote in the chapter in the Wattpad thing to vote who you want to join in the next episode of the Search for MS Paint. Yep, that's right. No more community tab stuff. Yeah. So, it looks like both of the hotel guys left. Wonder who... Who's gonna be our next hotel people? Well, we're not gonna show you yet. You just gotta wait to the next episode to see who's gonna... Yeah,